So Leo was born at 31 weeks. He's a triplet, and he got an infection when he was 10 days old, and he started having seizures, and then he had a brain bleed because of lack of oxygen. And then we were told, like I remember telling the doctor, what can we do for him? And he was like, only pray, like it's the last resort. Pray and hope he will live. We were starting traditional therapy since he was 10 days old. After he went out of the emergency, and we continued therapy and nothing changed. And they diagnosed Leo with spastic quadriplegia when he was 6 months. So we started looking for options. Like I was okay with the diagnosis, but not with the prognosis. Like I was like, I have to do something about that. So I decided to look for other options, and I found a group in Facebook that is called Brain Injured, Hope for Brain Injured Children. And then there was the name of Dr. Crawford like in every post, so I had to find out who he was and how was his methodology. So I started researching, and I bought my laser without, like, I saw so many good comments about the Dr. Crawford and his team and all that. So I decided to buy the laser, and when the laser came, we started a protocol with Leo, and what had been working for 8 months started working in 2 weeks. So his muscle tone began to change a lot. He was happy for the first time. Like, he was always crying and no one could touch him. Like, he was super like sad with no expression. And then we bought the laser, and with 2 weeks he was other baby, like completely different. He started smiling a lot, he started babbling a lot, he moved his legs for the first time. So we were really like anxious to come here and see what the intensive will brought us, and we are really happy. Like, he has advanced so much, and like he has advanced what he didn't advance in 12 months. The laser did much more than any other therapy. So yeah, we will stick with Dr. Crawford and his teams until Leo goes to college.